Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? So welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel to verify the solution you do in your algebra or math exercises. So we have chosen this question from SLogic. Very nice presentation from SLogic for this, which gives you the detailed steps of how a student should solve it. Uh, so our intention is to develop a system in which all the algebraic we can show you that how you can use VBA and Excel expertise uh, to get to the answer which can be presented um, in the quiz, automated quiz, right? So multiple choice quiz, right? So we are going to uh, show you how this solution is made and how do we uh, uh, make a system that uh, solves all such for the problems which are frequently presented in the exams to the so 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 the users the are my of the system. The users of this system are actually the teachers who day to day they are required to present some new problem to their viewers, to their audience, and there has to be some system with a click of button. A new question should be presented quickly, and the students will solve it following the normal exercise they do, and they should come up with their answer, and the answer should be matching what Excel has presented to you. So let's see what is the answer of this equation. So here it's new enhancement we have made that when you click it, so it will actually it will be doing exactly the same thing which it we have been doing in previous quizzes, but only that the code is split into two. There are two modes, the subroutines. One is negative working, the other is positive. Sometimes the answer in positive are not working, so that would result that would fail the equation. So it will check if by doing the positive the result hasn't yet arrived, then it will perform the negative one. So that's what it is doing. So let me put a breakpoint and show you how does this work, right? So as soon as you click it, it starts with a positive number for x value of x, right? So so what it is going to do is uh, it will mm, take x number of attempts, say 100 attempts to to perform it. Okay, so it is going to the positive routine and it will start adding, and as soon as it completes 100 times the thing, so so it will result. This zero shows that answer is not right, despite of the 100 times trying. Okay, so the next is the system will take the different route. It will check it. It will see if the answer is not yet arrived, then okay, go to the negative route. This time it will again performing uh, it will start performing the same routine with the negative function. It is now it is deducting one. Okay, so this factor can be changed. You can sometime be deducting a one or even the fraction of one, right? So so we click in here, and you will see as soon as so it has reached to the 3, and this is the answer which is the right answer. Then -3 is the right answer of this question. Okay, so let me remove all the breakpoints. I have shown you the code, how to develop this. Okay, so this is the way we do. We remove everything and we start it. It quickly comes with your answer. The value of x is -3. The next thing we do is that we post all the unposted cells. So for the moment, we have only one unposted thing. So it will come up with a dialog box. It will ask you which database you would like us to add. Okay. So you choose the database and then you click proceed. So it has let it load the file, and as soon as the file is loaded, then you can come to this dialog box and click proceed. That's it. So it has added the question in it. And if you see, this is the database. It has added -3 as the answer. And these are the difference. One of them has the right answer, and this is right. Okay, so it has automatically allocated the choices, right and wrong choices, right? And it has automatically chosen that the choice 3 is going to be the right answer. This is done automatically. If you click on here in the quiz, for example, you go to the quiz and you double click on it. So this is our today's question, and your right answer is this, and you get the mark. Okay, thank you very much for watching.